I think collaboration brings together all sort of the real problems that we encounter in society and in industry. It kind of lets you bring together different ideas, different ways of thinking, different technologies. There's such a lot of kind of complementary expertise across the university. You can have almost instant access to people who are innovating and experts.
Every problem that we face in research, it has a multiple dimension. You cannot have a silo approach to look into that. So that's why collaboration is really crucial.
So one unique part of this project is the collaboration, say mathematical research and a clinician. They're not typical bedfellows when it comes to research.
Our skills complement each other so well. I mean, we have mathematicians, computer scientists, medical specialists, game designers, artists in one team.
That's how this sort of research can get done, because it falls in the gap between different specialties sometimes.
It's really nice for students to be kind of involved in cutting-edge research through their classes and their lab work. So our students get a lot of opportunities to interact with industry partners.
Over the course of the study, you've got a really good opportunity to develop a broad skill set and one that's tailored towards the areas you're interested in. Throughout the time at Southampton, we've had lots of opportunities to meet industry and get to know the different possible job opportunities out there.
It allows the students to learn new skills, but also they create their own little network that in the future they can use within their field and find jobs that interest them. And to be honest, there's no better feeling of students that you have trained, that they go on and go into various companies, but also academia, and really try to build a better future.